Hello, and welcome back to the KMT Traders channel. Before we dive into today's Bitcoin analysis, we want to quickly remind you that our Discord community is completely free to join. The link is in the description, so feel free to hop in, follow our trades, and stay updated on our setups. Now, let's dive into the charts. Last week, we were focused on shorting Bitcoin, and while we initially saw an upside move, one of our trades secured a 200 pip gain before reversing. We caught the reversal at just the right moment, which resulted in an explosive 1,000 pip move to the upside. Bitcoin is still holding above our targets, showing significant momentum. Looking ahead to this week, we could potentially see a correction to the downside, so we're keeping an eye on short opportunities. However, it wouldn't be surprising if Bitcoin continues its bullish run and pushes to break its all-time high. A lot will depend on how the market reacts to key news events throughout the week. If you'd like to join us and stay ahead of these moves, click the link in the description to join our free Discord community. Don't miss out on our next trade setups. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.